Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to remove the previous version of Windows installation in Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. In the Settings window, click on System, and then choose Storage. Step 2. In the Storage settings, you'll find various options. Look for Temporary Files and click on it. Step 3. Under the Remove Temporary Files section, you'll see a checkbox for Previous version of Windows. Select this checkbox to indicate that you want to remove the previous version. Step 4. Finally, click on the Remove Files button to initiate the removal process. By following these steps, you can easily remove the previous version of Windows installation in Windows 10, freeing up valuable storage space on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.